Hi everybody, welcome back. I am so excited. I just received in the mail, and it's so early, it just means fall's around the corner. I got you can see by the thumbnail, the FabFitFun box. So very excited. This is only the third time that I'm getting a FabFitFun box. I signed up for the year. The first box got me with the Quay sunglasses. It's still my favorite box, so I guess always your first one is. So this one seemed to be more bath and body skincare related. So I went ahead and opened it up and got rid of all those sprinkly things they put in the paper to help with shipping. And then I'm just going to pull the items out and go through them. So everything comes beautifully packaged, tissue wrapped with a nice little heart, and then they always seem to have some deal going on with HelloFresh where they send a coupon, and then they send another little coupon to give a discount code for people who want to sign up for the FabFitFun. So if that is any interest of you, please leave a comment down below and I'll give you the code that was on there. So because I am the yearly, we get to select a couple of items. I did do a video when the options became available to me, and I shared that with you guys. The total value of my whole box, the boxes run around $49. And then a lot of people do add-ons and stuff. I didn't do any, so we got 8 items in the box this month, and my total value of this box was just under $300. It was like $294, $295 around there. You also get this fantastic magazine in here, and this is FabFitFun is its own community from what I'm learning, and they have a lot of tips. They have TV, they run sales like all the time, but you have to be a member, but you can buy it on a box by box basis, and there's always enough sneak peeks that gives you a little bit, and then there's always a couple of surprises in the box, and everything is full size. So in the magazine they go through all of the items, and then they give you little snippets of the cost and what they are, and then full pages on how to use the products. So if you see me looking down, it's just to give you guys the information that they're saying in the pamphlet about the products. So the most expensive item that was in my box was one that I chose. The options were scarves and things, but I'm now living down south, so that's of no value to me anymore. So what I did was I picked up the hair straightener. So it's always good to have an extra one. It's always good to have one to travel with. This one's really pretty. It's from a good brand. It's called Amika. I think it's pronounced Amika. That's how it looks there. It came in this packaging and the same type of color on the the iron. So that's the item there. It goes up to $4.50. It's really a good one, and they're saying this is a value of $80. So that right away, if that's something that you needed, already double paid for the box. And that's how we all as girls seem to equate trying to figure out how much a box is worth to us. And a box is worth to us if you're getting introduced to products at a really reasonable price, so that you can enjoy and then hopefully learn about maybe a brand you never knew about. So that's why I like boxes. The second item that I got in this box was ironically one that I wanted to try. This is from Dr. Nassif. You guys may be familiar with him. He does that show on Bravo. He's a plastic surgeon. He does nose jobs, all that, Botched, I think it's called. Anyways, he's now on HSN, and he sells a lot of his products there, and the prices that they quoted on these products are the prices that they sell on HSN. I love this type of product. I use this type of product. It's a detox pad that you wear, use after you cleanse. It almost acts like a toner, but there's always extra ingredients that are in these pads that help really clean out the pores of the skin. I've used them from a Dr. Deness that I've also gotten on QVC, as well as Peter Thomas Roth. So whenever I see these and they're available, I love them. They are, this came in a plastic wrap, and that's what they look like here. They are saturated pads, and what's great about it is you can use it in the morning, you can use it at night. I seem to use them at nighttime. They're also really, really big, so you know, if you want, you can always cut them in half. They're just a great, great add-on to your cleansing routine. And it says it's a detox complexion perfection pad, and it has alpha beta hydroxy. And because of that, that's why I use it in the evening. It's also, he says, gently wipe your face with the pad in the morning and in the evening to improve the skin's complexion. Do not rinse off. Avoid your eyelids and under your eyes and over your eyelids, and you might get a tingling sensation, he says, but that's normal. He also has precautions for people that have dry skin. He says use this only twice a week and then build up to a daily use. If you have normal skin, he says you could do it 3 times a week to build up till you get to a daily use. Sensitive, he's saying twice a week, and then use as your skin can tolerate it, and then oily skin, he recommends it daily. So that's a $45 value, so really happy that that was in the box. The next item that's in the brochure, that's in the box, is this product here. Some of the choices really were hit and miss for me this time around, so I'm really hoping the products are going to surprise me, and that's what happened last time I got a FatFun. It wasn't items that I knew, so it really pushed me out of my comfort zone, and it pushes you to have to choose one of 3 or one of 4. So by having to choose, I chose this one, and it's a daily cleanser, exfoliating scrub, revitalizing mask. It's from a company that's called the Better Skin Company. That's what it looks like here. And this also came surround, you know, with these plastic seals, and this has this cute little scooper in there so that you don't have to put your hands in. You can use the scooper to pull the product out. And then the inside of it looks like a clay, but it looks like it has little exfoliating beads in there. And it smells like a creamsicle, which I love when products that you have to use have that orange scent. I don't know why, I love it. So that's what this item is here. And then the next item that was in the box that I chose, like I said, the choices, I almost felt like I had to choose, but this is the company Drugstore. Their products are really cool. This was a 4-pack, but they're saying this has a value of $45, and it's a mini set, and it says a brow pencil, a shadow, another shadow that's brown, and then an eye pencil. And let's see if I can get this out to show you guys. This is how it came with these 4. And with Drugstore, these look like they're open, but they're not. But what's great about them is that they usually have a magnetic closure. Let's see if this does. No, the minis don't. The larger ones do. And these, what's great is the color that's on the tip is the color that's inside. So this one they're saying is the mini brow, and this seems to have a tip that is triangular, like that. And I'll just do a light swatch here. Feels very, very dry, almost like it's dried out. I'll show you guys. You can see how it's skipping on the hand. Not too impressive. Okay, that's the first item in here. The second one is an item that's called the Mini Shadow Crayon. That's the color there, and it's a round tip. And I will swatch that as well. This went on very creamy. It's right over here. The next item is the Mini Shadow Crayon, and this one's saying it's in coffee. Let's see if this one had a name on it. Yes, this one is Pink Pearl. And so let's do this one. Also, oh, that one on really, really smooth. That one there, really dark. And then the next one in here is a thin one, and it is called This is a mini eye pencil, and it's in black sand. And that's the item here. And really dark. That's the last item that's up here. So I will try them. Hopefully they're good. Trustique is usually a good brand, but like I said, there wasn't much to choose from. And considering there was no makeup items at all, and it was mostly skincare, I wanted to at least have one item that was makeup, and this was the only choice for makeup, so that's why I chose this one. All right, and that I said was like a $48 value. The next item I knew I wanted, this is from Wonder Beauty. I've gotten sample packets of these before. They're fantastic. They are under the eye patches, and they're called Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. They are gold, and what's great about them is they really stay under your eyes, so no matter what you're doing, they're not going to fall off, and you don't have to like lie back and like keep them on there. And they come individually packaged, and there's 6 of them in here. So this for sure I wanted, and this 6-pack is a $25 value. So this is something that is affordable and good, so that if you want to replenish, it's an easy replenish. The other items are ones that I think are in everybody's box, because I don't remember seeing these at all. And this one is these sugar cubes that, let me see what it says in the magazine here. Sorry, guys. Yeah, that information is here. These sugar cubes are a $16 value. When I opened them up, the aroma of these was very pineapple. And also, if you're from that generation where I am, where your parents used to buy the fruit cocktail in the can with that heavy syrup, that's what these smell like to me. I haven't smelled that in forever, but it's very pineapple-y. And this one, they're saying it's called a juice cleanse, and it's a exfoliating sugar cubes, and it's by Harper Ari, and this they're saying is a $16 value. The next item in here is called Damage Remedy from Avita. Avita is a very good brand. This is a daily hair repair, instantly visibly repairs and protects from heat styling. So let's see, this one here is, they're saying is a $30 value. Wow. And then in the magazine here, it's saying it's infused with proteins, oils, soy, and it will protect your hair up to 450-degree heat. So that will be great with the iron that we got. And then the last item that's in this box was from Humankind, and they're saying it's a body souffle, and it's saying, oh, and this had no packaging and no seal on it, the Avena one. This one did come sealed. This one didn't come sealed either. This one here had a wrap around it that we had to peel off. And this says it's a lightly whipped for the ultimate in kindness, Humankind 2-in-1 light and fluffy body souffle. Quickly absorbs, leave the skin feeling super moisturized and soft to the touch. Directions: apply as needed to soothe and moisturize your skin. And this is a value of $18 and is just under 7 fluid ounces. It just says, lather yourself in a souffle blend of apricot oil, shea butter. Your skin will feel incredibly soft and moisturized. So I'm assuming it will have it. Whoop. I don't know if you guys saw that. Okay. It's a light lotion. It's not a heavy body butter. I did it over here. And it has a very, it's very, very lightly scented, and it's not a strong orange. It's, they're saying apricot. I'll take their word for it. I don't know what that would smell like, but it's very, very faint, like really, really, really faint. And that's that. That's the whole box. So, like I said, this is my third box. I have one more left on my yearly. I'm going to check out what's in the next box and then make my decisions from there. But the news on this, that they give a little bit extra information, the Better Skin Lava Magic, They're saying the benefits are to buff away the dead skin cells, increase the radiance of the skin, and minimize the appearance of the pores. They say to use it, maybe use as a cleanser, a scrub, or a face mask. So to me, that's really cool. And then the other item in here was for the Wonder Beauty. Their little snippet on here is benefit, it hydrates, soothes the under eye area. To use it, applied to clean, dry under eyes, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, and pat the remaining serum, which I always do with all masks, into the skin. And then the little thing on the Avita, the Daily Hair Repair, it says the benefit is instantly repairs and protects the hair from heat styling. As I read earlier, was up to 450, which is unbelievable. And this says how to use it. Work a small amount of the product into your hands, then apply it to your damp hair, comb through, and don't rinse it out. So that sounds pretty cool. And then the pads from Dr. Nassif. These here, the detox pads, it says the benefit, it will exfoliate dead skin cells, even out the appearance of the skin tone, and diminish the look of your pores. And they say how to use it to gently wipe your face with the pad in the morning and the evening. After cleansing your face, depending on your skin type, use twice a week and build up to your daily or your just personal preference. And then on these sugar cubes, it says the benefits are to exfoliate and nourish your entire body. How to use it: crush 1 cube into your hand and gently massage onto wet skin in circular motions in the bath or in your shower. So that's that. So that's everything in here. And like I said, the rest of the magazine gives you, if you got the scarf, they show you different ways of how to wear the scarf. They, if you got the wallet, they show you that. Secrets on anything having to do with your hair, you know, sleep on a silk pillowcase, all those things. And then the cover was of Megan Trainor, so they have a whole story of her in here. Then they say it's never too late to eat healthy, how to change your career, like very women empowering stories. It's a really great magazine. Plus it gives you all the snippets of the actual products that you got, and the ones that you didn't get, those are in there as well. So if you want to make, you know, a purchase in the future when they have these edit sales, you can do that as well. So just wanted to share my FabFitFun. It's early. This is called the Fall Box, and very excited that I got it early and wanted to share it with you guys. So hopefully you will subscribe to the channel. It's the red button down below. Give me a thumbs up if you're enjoying my content, and please leave me a comment if you got your FabFitFun box and if you had a chance to use any of the products and which are your favorites. Okay? All right, we'll speak to you soon. Take care for now. Bye-bye.